Hey guys, happy Saturday evening. It's Barry again with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio up here. This time we've got this really cool little component 8-track deck. It's made by a company called Kenvox. It kind of strikes me as some guy named Ken wanted to start an electronics company and pump out a couple hundred 8-track players to make a quick buck. Hey, whatever works. If I end up getting a job, that's fine with me. So this unit had a bad had a bad preamp, a bad channel in the preamp, and rather than go through and and look for the bad part in this old ancient preamp, I just put one of my own in there, a brand new tape head preamp, which sounds a little brighter than the original anyway. That's why I made it, to compensate for loss of treble over the years with these aging tapes and worn heads. So let's go ahead and it's just a component player. It's going to be a quick test. So let's go ahead and plug in a tape. Make sure we got both speakers. Okay, at the end of a song here. Check for crosstalk. No crosstalk. So we're going to have an automatic track change, and then we'll start another song. I'm just going to wait for it to switch tracks. There we go. Okay, that's it. There's not much to test on a component player. Just make sure it plays and changes tracks and sounds okay. So I forgot to mention who this comes from. This comes from Pat in Memphis, Tennessee, not Memphis, Egypt, and Memphis, Tennessee. And so Pat will be happy because he wrote me a couple weeks ago wanting to know what's going on, with it. And I didn't make him fill in a work order, so he doesn't know he's not allowed to do that. So these smaller jobs, I don't get too crazy about the work order and stuff like that. It's almost a waste of time. But it is required for most jobs. So on that happy note, I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. And to reach me for service, please visit the website that's in the description below. And please download and print a work order before calling me with a bunch of questions if it's a car unit. Home units, you still need a work order, but there's not nearly as many questions to answer because there's not nearly as many options. Just fix it, basically. Whereas a car unit, there can be a dozen ways to fix the radio. So thanks so much for watching and listening, and thank you, Pat, for your business all the way from Memphis, Tennessee. We'll see you guys next time. No, I've never gotten a job from Egypt.